Why do some people snore in their sleep? Snoring happens when you can't move air freely through your nose and throat during sleep. Because something is keeping the air from moving freely through the passage behind their nose and mouth. Maybe they have bad sleep posture, or maybe they have put on weight or have a sinus infection. Sometimes, snoring is brought on by age. Whatever the reason, snoring can get loud. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe, like or comment. We will be back with more useful videos. Have a nice day.